afternoon, almost afternoon na kasi 1:30 na eh. Yeah. Loco. They are working, oh, you see? You see mga skilled worker, oh, look what they are doing. Oh, that's what they do. It's very hot. Oh no, it's not too much cold. Oh, it's not hot as in hot pa. Warm weather pa kami here. Oh, you see? That's what they do. Oh, they are working that one from the entrance. Oh, not entrance. There by the another side. There in the other side there. Okay, until now. Oh, until now. Oh, on the another side pa here. There until the end. Okay, oh, you see? That is the worker, the skilled worker. Continue working. So, you cannot see talaga that the balcony is, you cannot clean every day because look, oh, that is dusting. Oh, it's come here also in the, what's that? In the balcony. And some balcony, look, there's some another building, their balcony that they are not cleaning every day. Nako, it's like double, what's that already? And now I start cleaning na in the dining. That is the last that what I have dining while I'm looking and waiting for Sisi. So I prepare now already for the food, Mincelin also. Oh, you see, oh, that's what they are working. Oh, the work. Oh, that's what they are. So you cannot see talaga the another building, another floor. Their balcony, they make it a sliding door. Oh, so they are lucky because they have already closed already. So minimize of the dust and minimize of the dirty. Oh, look in the another building. Oh, you see? In the another building there, oh, down. Oh, you see how dust. What's that in the floor, in the garden, in the balcony. Oh, so that's what what I mean here. That is the main reason why I clean every day. Because if you didn't clean every day, it's too much. And how come if Sisi and her friends, Ellen, they come here to play, oh, and share. Sometimes he sit down here for the shy or for the gawa, oh, and our fair parrot. Oh. So we need to clean. And I don't like to say, if I'm looking in the balcony, even this one, even in the small, the most important in the small balcony, because I put my laundry and I don't want that there is too much dust. Oh, you see? It's still working. Not only here in the outside, but to make to develop the new breeds. Kasi hindi ka na makapronounce good. You see? Oh, the cleaner nga of this compound, every day they are cleaning in the floor. Di more pa here in the house. That we need hair clean to be healthy, to be good health. Oh, especially if we have children. Oh, you see? Oh, I will think pa not yet come. You see? Oh, there is still working. They're working. Still working. The chains, the another, some of the what's that? This one is not yet finished, unfinished pa. So they are still continue work and clean. So that's what I'm telling about it. Oh, you see my balcony. Oh, it's good. It's nice. Even there is dusting for this one, but it's it's looking shining pa rin little bit even there is dust. Because even you are cleaning, the dust is still, the cabinet nga, there is dust. How come this one outside? Oh, even inside the floor, snako. Even you clean, you make shiny the floor, and si Celine, she is wearing no sleeper. We check before she sleep because I put the, she change the pajama. I make it sure that his feet is clean also. It's little bit brown. Oh, not too much, just little bit brown. Oh, you see? Oh, you see? What's the name that one? Pork. Bakho ba? Haroy ko. Talaga, without knowing na ako, since that I'm working already, that housemaid, my mind sometimes is just attention of my work, what I do every day. Sometimes I search in the Google to learn more if I forgot something, so that's why search dictionary, or that's what my life, and that's what I do. Oh, you see? Oh. Ta-na-na-na-na. In the, what's that? Advertisement. Ta-na-na-na-na. To-no-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Oh, yellow Grace. You have work pa, Grace. Nako. Now we have pa. Somehow too much work na naman, busy. Yes, ganito na talaga ang buhay. Oh, ayun na naman yung isa. Oh, ayun oh, yung isa. Oh, ayun. Oh, yun yung isa. Doon din yan, pupunta-punta. Oh, not yet, but I'm looking in the balcony. The school bus. To make it sure, because sometimes if they are calling to me, it's make me louder na the volume. So now I'm just finished this one, and then what's that already? Yeah, sometimes 17 minutes, 5 minutes I can stop. To make a video or to check my message in the messenger. I just making Facebook or sometimes Instagram, but mostly if I finish na, while I'm looking, everything I watch that na porcelain. We are sitting down na, so yun. While I'm looking, because she's asking what she need or like that one, so must be what's that. But sometimes I'm late. I need pa to finish. It depends kasi my work here inside. It depends. Ayun. The important for me that I can fix first to Celine, and then after that one yun, cleaning na. And what I do here inside. Because that's why if CC is here, no work, no school, so I'm just, what's that, slating. What's that? Okay, slating. Slating more to make it smile while you are watching of my old videos. O, diba? O, once again, thank you for watching. Thank you for everything. Happy Tuesday, more blessings. God bless us all. Thanks to all of us nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, to the different people in this world that we belong to stay, to work, and to have residence, or whatever. O yun, nandoon din yung isa sa dulo. O ayun o. O, nandoon din yan. O, ayun o. O, yun, kasi still working there. O, okay. So, thank you, and bye. Keep safe lagi. Whatever we do, keep safe. That is the most Most important, God bless. And Lord, thank you very much, Lord, what we have. Thank you so much, and thank you so much, and bye.